Today we are touring the Sequoia and Waxhaw Landing here in beautiful Monroe, North Carolina. I'm August Mayer, your local real estate expert. This community offers the perfect blend of small town charm and modern living. So Waxhaw Landing is known for its spacious homes, peaceful surroundings, and unbeatable location. Just minutes from historic downtown Waxhaw and a quick drive to Charlotte. So whether you're looking for your first home or your next dream upgrade, this neighborhood delivers value, comfort, and convenience. So let's take a look inside and see what makes this home so special. Make sure to stay to the end and you'll get a sneak peek at the amenities. The Sequoia features 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms with the 2-car garage. It will also come with blinds, and it's approximately 2,824 square feet of living area. So if you like this home and want to stay up to date on all new construction homes like this, get access to my new construction website. So go to www.augustmayer.com/new homes. You can also use the link in the descriptions. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For amenities, you will have a pool, and the cabana will have activities, and a pavilion is covered with ceiling fans and picnic tables. And at the end of the video, you will have a tour of the outside of the amenity area. Mattamy Homes is offering up to 6% seller paid closing costs with their in-house lender and 3% with an outside lender. So that's going to save you tons and tons of money for your closing expenses, and you may even be able to lower your interest rate with those incentives. So if you have any questions about this home or any other home, you can always reach me at 704-231-6024. So if you know new construction is what you want for your next home, scan this QR code, get access to my new construction website, or you can use the link in the descriptions and go to www.augustmayer.com/new homes.